So many African American women are suffering in silence with hair loss. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, almost 30 million women are experiencing hair thinning and hair loss in the United States. But what's more alarming is the study that shows that almost half of African American women, about 40.9%, are suffering with alopecia. And we got to provide education.
Wow.
Yes, those numbers are huge.
Well, can you explain to us what alopecia is?
Okay, so alopecia simply means hair loss, is what it means. There's so many different types of hair loss.
Okay, as an African-American woman, what are some of the more common reasons for hair loss?
Okay, so in African-American women, let's talk about the top four. Number one is traction alopecia. This is caused by us wearing the tight hairstyles, the braids, the weaves, and the wigs over an extended period of time.
Okay.
The pulling on the scalp causes hair loss. Then number two, we have postpartum hair loss, which Toya Wright just talked about on social media.
Right.
After having a baby, your hair
Right.
may start falling out. That's temporary. Then we have hormonal hair loss due to menopause, birth control, and then lastly, hair loss due to the type of medications we take.
Oh, yes.
Pay attention to what your hair is saying. If you're taking medications,
Yeah.
talk to your doctor. They may be able to prescribe something different to stop the thinning and the hair loss.
Got it.
So is there anything we can do to prevent hair loss?
So the number one thing to understand is that early detection is the key. As soon as your hair starts shedding, as soon as it starts breaking, go get help.
Yeah.
Call your cosmetologist, trichologist, dermatologist, get help.